Introduction. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will be showing you how to cook Hyderabadi Biryani, a mouth-watering delicacy from the Indian city of Hyderabad. This biryani is known for its unique blend of flavors and spices, which makes it one of the most sought-after dishes in the Indian subcontinent. Ingredients. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 500 grams of basmati rice, 1 kilogram of chicken or mutton, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of sliced onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 black cardamoms, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of oil or ghee, a handful of chopped mint leaves, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, a pinch of saffron strands, 2 tablespoons of milk. Cooking process. Step 1. Wash the rice in cold water and soak it for 30 minutes. Step 2. In a large pan, heat oil or ghee over medium heat. Step 3. Add the sliced onions and fry until they turn golden brown. Step 4. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for 2 minutes. Step 5. Add the chicken or mutton pieces and fry until they turn brown. Step 6. Add the yogurt, green cardamoms, black cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Mix everything well. Step 7. Add 3 cups of water and mix well. Cover the pan and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes over low heat. Step 8. In a separate pan, boil water with salt and cook the soaked rice until it is about 70% done. Step 9. Strain the rice and add it to the chicken or mutton mixture. Mix everything gently. Step 10. Add chopped mint leaves, coriander leaves, and saffron milk. Step 11. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid and cook over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 12. Once the biryani is cooked, turn off the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes. Step 13. Serve hot with raita or salad. Conclusion. There you have it, a delicious and authentic recipe for Hyderabadi biryani. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and will try making this biryani at home. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching.